broken.
Who broke it?
The monkeys.
The monkeys did. That's right. You can try and fix it.
The trees are brilliant. Oh. The trees.
What about them, darling?
But nice. These are in. Oh. Here.
You hear that dog barking?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why is it barking? What happened to you? Did you have a fall?
Yeah, I did.
Why did you fall, sweet? Happened?
And this morning we loaded all the pinks.
What did you do?
And the frogs and the froggy. And all the things were happy.
Happening? Did I catch the frog? Where did I put the frog?
Outside.
Where? At the back? Did you like frogs, Jess?
I can like frogs. Ah, I'm scared of frog can.
Better be careful. You can like frogs.
I can like frogs.
What else can you like?
Camels.
Camels? You can't high.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Can you? Is that as high as you can count?
Yeah.
Can you count higher than that?
Okay. 1,
That's very good.
2, 4, 5, 6.
And low? You can't. What are the low numbers you can count?